Hey traders, Arjun here. 18 months of manual trading. Rahul has built a system. He knows his rules. He has his checklist, but he keeps making the same emotional mistakes. Exiting too early when a position is going his way. Entering too late after he confirms the setup 3 times too many. A friend asks him, "Have you considered algo trading?" Today, Rahul investigates. Can a computer follow his rules better than he can? Rahul gets curious about algo trading. The specific pain. Rahul's journal over the last 6 months shows a clear pattern. He exits winners at 1.2 or when his rules say hold to 2R. He has done this 19 times. The missed profit is over 12,000 rupees. He knows his rules. He just cannot follow them in the heat of the moment. Emotions. His hands move before his brain can stop them. Can code solve this? What is algo trading? It is automated trading using programmed rules. You write down your entry conditions, exit conditions, stop-loss logic, and position sizing formula into code. Then the computer executes the trades for you. Automatically, without hesitation, without fear, without greed. The algorithm is just your rules plus code. It does not think. It does not feel. It just does exactly what you told it to do. What algo trading can do. First, emotionless execution. No hesitation. No second guessing. If the conditions are met, the trade fires. Always. Second, scale. A computer can scan 500 stocks simultaneously in milliseconds. Rahul manually checks 8 stocks. Third, speed. It can react in milliseconds to price movements that take a human several seconds to process. Fourth, backtesting. You can test your rules on 5 years of historical data before risking a single rupee live. What algo trading cannot do. This is the critical part. An algo cannot think. It cannot adapt to a sudden news event that changes the market character. It cannot tell when a market regime has shifted and your rules no longer apply. Here is the most dangerous truth. An algo will follow wrong rules very efficiently. If your strategy has a flaw, the algo will execute that flaw hundreds of times faster than you could manually. Garbage in, garbage out. The algo is only as good as the strategy behind it. The India landscape. In India, algo trading requires approval. SEBI mandates that algorithmic trading strategies must be approved through your broker's API. You cannot just run any script and connect it to your DMAT. The main broker APIs used in India are Zerodha Kite Connect, Fire's API, and Upstock's API. Zerodha Kite Connect is the most popular. It has a well-documented Python library. Monthly subscription is around 2,000 rupees. You need a developer account, and your algo strategies must be approved before going live. The Getting Started path. Step 1, strategy. Document your trading rules completely. Every condition. No ambiguity. Step 2, manual testing. Trade it manually for at least 3 months. Prove it works with human execution first. Step 3, paper testing. Run the algo in paper trade mode. No real money. Compare its decisions to what you would do manually. Step 4, code it. Write the strategy in Python using your broker API. Step 5, live testing with small capital. Start with 10,000 rupees. Treat bugs like trading losses. Find and fix them before scaling. For traders who do not know Python, there are no-code options in India. TradeSharp is the most popular. You build your strategy using a visual builder. No coding required. It connects to Zerodha, Fires, and other brokers. Streak is another option, integrated directly into Zerodha itself. You can build, backtest, and deploy strategies without writing a single line of code. The no-code options are slower and less flexible than custom Python code, but they're a valid starting point to test whether algo trading suits your approach. Rahul's decision after all this research. He is not ready yet, and Arjun agrees. Here's why. Algo trading amplifies whatever you bring to it. If Rahul's manual strategy is inconsistent, an algo will be inconsistently wrong at scale. His win rate in the last 3 months is 62%. He needs 6 more months of consistent manual results to prove the strategy is truly robust. Then he will code it. Not before. Build manual consistency first. The algo is the reward for getting the manual process right, not the shortcut around it. Algo trading is not a magic money printer. It is your rules in code form. The magic is in the rules. Build those first. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.